answer your questions. Right. So we're on day 3. Today we are talking about the third universal law. And this is the law of action. Okay. So the law of action really states that you must take action if you want things to manifest on earth. You have to take action. I tend to refer to it as you can't ask the universe what you want and then go and eat a sandwich. You may have heard me say that in the past. And that's where we referred about taking inspired actions. And this is referred to the law of action, okay? So the law states that you must take actions necessary to achieve what it is you're set out to be or to have or to manifest, okay? So, because unless you take actions, then it's taking action that run in harmony with your dreams or with your thoughts or, the things that you want to manifest. So unless you're actually taking actions, then nothing's going to happen. You will have no results. You have to take actions, okay? So this is where the law of action, this is, right, let me try to rephrase this. This is here with the law of action that many people falter from manifesting their dreams, okay? Because this is when they falter from achieving success because they are not taking actions. But this could be because of fear, or I've also seen it because of laziness, but it's mainly due to fear stopping you, your ego stopping you, okay? So the law, again, a law of action stipulates and states that in order to manifest, you must move within the universe and take actions. Okay, so most people believe that by just working with the law of attraction, because this is the one that people have heard the most of, and this is what is more commonly referred to when people start talking about the universe and the universal laws. People have heard about the law of attraction. They've seen The Secret, the movie. They've read the books, which are really good. But then it's just a starting point. It's really good to actually, give you a little bit of knowledge. Just kind of, whet your appetite a little bit. So many people actually have that misconstrued idea that by just working with the law of attraction and visualize, do all the visualizations and, all that kind of things, then they think that manifesting will happen. But it doesn't, because they are not following through with and by taking actions. Okay, taking inspired actions that are aligned with your thoughts, aligned with your dreams, okay? Because I just feel by just doing the visualization and keeping focused on, they thoughts, their dream, which is really good because you also need that. And we will talk about the law of attraction later on this week because obviously it's one of the 12 universal law. But just doing this alone is not enough. But then manifestation doesn't work, it doesn't happen, and people wonder why. Okay, I'm hoping this video is actually filming okay, because on my laptop it's coming up that I am frozen and I'm currently like that. So I am actually hoping that this is going through. Right. Okay, so going back to it, this is why you need to take actions, okay? So all the universal laws, they're all important. They're all as important as any of them, yeah? all as important because they are all intertwined and they all work together. So just working with the law of attraction is not enough because you are missing all the others. We're on the third one today. So, you know, it is massively, massively important to take actions. It's showing the universe that you are serious. You are putting your money where your mouth is, and you are taking actions that, you know, that match your thoughts and match your dreams. And it's also meeting the universe halfway. Okay, you are co-creator of your future. You are co-creator of your life. But you need to meet the universe halfway. Otherwise, it's just not going to happen, okay? So you need to be able to work with all the 12 universal laws. And that's why I wanted to spend, you know, a day on each, you know, a short video on each. Then you actually have time to listen, you know, to this short training and, you know, understand how each law works and then how they relate to each other as well. Okay, we're going to be talking about one in a couple of days, which is the law of cause and effect. And it works hand in hand with the law of action, right? But we'll be talking about this a bit later on. So you need to be aware of all the laws to really, really understand how the universe works. And it's also going to make you understand what has happened up to now, what has happened in your life. And you can actually go, right, okay, yeah, I understand that. And then you can make better decisions, take better actions, okay? So, because sometimes we take action based on fear, and then that's your ego, you know, kind of stopping you from coming out of your comfort zones and expanding. Yeah, this is how you expand, by coming out and by stretching your comfort zone, by taking inspired actions that make you feel, you know, kind of slightly, you know, when you're gulping, kind of, not sure, but it feels positive. It just feels a little positively scary. That is stretching your comfort zone. That is expanding yourself. That is taking brilliant, inspired actions. This is following the law of action perfectly for the universe to meet you halfway. Okay, so I hope that you know, everything we have discussed so far has made sense, is making sense, that, you know, you've taken, you know, something away from this, that you may have had a light bulb moment, like, oh yeah, okay, I understand this. Again, working with all the laws of the universe is the way forward. So then you're actually not missing out, you know, a little trick in there, you know, a little stepping stone. Yeah, you don't, you know, I was going to say you don't need to jump, you know, in between. You need to have everything in the equation for it to work perfectly. Okay, so I thought that it would be really, really useful to discuss each law in a bit more detail, so then it makes more sense as well later on when I actually refer to various things, you know, talking about the universe, the law of attraction as in an umbrella of the universal laws. Okay, then my loves, I am going to leave here for tonight. If you have any questions, if you want me to you know, discuss something a bit more in details, if there's something that you know, I haven't covered clearly enough, please do let me know, and I will, you know, cover that point again. Again, I'm really hoping that this video is actually recording okay, because I'm actually frozen on the laptop like this. So and then I'm obviously talking a lot with my hand, you know, this is clearly the French in me. Very expressive. Okay, then my love, I'm gonna leave this video, this training here for tonight. Any questions, any queries, just make sure that you pop your comment down below, and I'll catch you soon. Love you guys. Bye.